This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the account where you want to change the primary email. Make sure you can access the current primary and any recovery addresses. This prevents lockout. Once signed in, review linked services so you know what will be affected. Then open account or profile settings and locate email or contact info. That's where we begin the actual change process. Next, add the new address as a secondary or alternate email. Many systems require adding it before switching. After adding, immediately check that email for the verification link and follow the steps. This proves ownership. Once verified, return to the account settings and choose Make Primary or Promote. Systems vary, so follow on-screen prompts carefully. Make sure two-factor authentication still points to a valid device or code generator to avoid losing access. Finish by confirming the new address is marked primary and then test signing out and back in using the updated email. After successful login, update any linked apps, subscriptions, or contact lists that use the old address. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Try account recovery with backup codes or the recovery email. If recovery fails, gather ID or transaction proofs and contact support. Explain the steps you took and request a manual change. That usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.